Human-wildlife conflict occurs when wildlife damages property or threatens the life of people. In Africa, the most common forms of human-wildlife conflict occur when wildlife eats crops or when predators kill livestock. Human-wildlife conflict is a major challenge for conservationists. The most effective way of achieving conservation is to make wildlife benefit the livelihoods of local people. Human-wildlife conflict works against this objective by imposing financial costs and can dramatically reduce local support for wildlife conservation. As human populations expand into wilderness areas, the interface between humans and wildlife increases, and as a result, human-wildlife conflict increases. Human-elephant conflict is perhaps the most common form of human-wildlife conflict. Elephants regularly raid crops in areas neighboring their natural habitat. Male elephants are the primary culprits. Crop raiding is dangerous and generally not a risk worth taking for females with young, but for males looking to gain condition to improve their chances of securing mating opportunities, crop fields are an attractive proposition. Human-elephant conflict peaks when the grass in the bush starts to dry out. At that time, elephants normally switch from eating grass to eating browse, and coincidentally, that's also the time when crops such as maize ripen. Lions and hyenas are also responsible for human-wildlife conflict, frequently preying on cattle, donkeys, sheep and goats living on the boundaries of protected areas. Ultimately, human-wildlife conflict means that wildlife always loses. Animals are poisoned or shot in retribution for damage caused to human livelihoods. The challenge to our research here in Sabi Valley Conservancy and for other research projects throughout Africa is to develop means to avoid conflict and help people protect their crops and livestock using non-lethal methods. For the African Wildlife Conservation Fund, this is Dr. Peter Lindsay.